Hello, all my dear students. How are you, boys and girls? I hope you all are great. Students, welcome once again in the science lecture. This is Rohan sir from Mehdi English Medium School. My dear little champs, how was your class test yesterday? Was it good? I hope that you have appeared for the class test in the previous lecture. Isn't it very interesting? First, you are giving your class tests in the class. Now, because of the lockdown, you are not able to give the class test. So, we teachers are sending you the class test which you can appear for just by sitting at your home. This is very much easy for you, and I hope that more than easy, it is much more convenient and fun to solve test, I should say, it is for you. Dear students, those who have not sent the test PDF either to me or to the follow-up teachers, I will just request them, please appear for the test. Is it so very tough? Nothing is tough, neither the paper nor the paper style or the paper type. Everything is at your ease. So please make sure that while you are getting these type of chance to prepare yourself, so please don't miss this kind of chance, because here no one is going to enter your 0 or 100 marks in the paper. This is just the practice test, you can say. So you are very lucky that you are getting this type of papers from your teachers, so that just you have to sit and write the answer and think about the answer. So please make sure when the teachers are putting their efforts, you have to also put the efforts from your side. So welcome once again in the science lecture, 3rd standard students. Now what is our today's agenda? Our today's agenda is revision test of chapter 13. So correction, you will do it on the spot, and evaluation, that means correction, you only are going to do for yourself. You only will check your answer. So this is what our agenda is for the today's lecture. The previous lecture was for the 12th chapter. After completing 13th chapter, I thought you might have disconnected from the 12th chapter. But I was wrong at certain extent, because many students, those who sent me the test, more than 60% they knew the answer and they have appeared for it with very well presentation. Let us see for the today's test how many of you will appear and how many of you remember the chapter we have completed lastly. And needless to say that you have to be ready with the rough book. So please be ready with your rough book, your pencil, and whatever is needed for your test. And I hope that, like the previous test, you are going to rock in this test as well, because the students who have watched the lectures, for them nothing will be tough, just will be the piece of cake. You can eat it easily. So now I hope you all are ready. Please give the heading revision test chapter 13, and also don't forget to mention today's date. These all things are compulsory, in every lecture. So try to keep yourself ready whenever you sit for the lecture, at least with the date and the subject. I hope you have written the heading in your rough book. Now I'm going to display textual exercise which you have to solve it in the form of test. Obviously will be displayed without the answers. Once if question A, for suppose, is over, I will display the answers for it, and so with the question B and C. This way the test will be conducted like we did in the previous lecture. So now I hope that you are familiar with the format of this test. So now you will see the textbook exercise Please keep all the stuff away from you. Only rough book should be there with you. Let's get started. Now I hope students you are ready with your books. Please give the heading question A. Fill in the blanks. Just write question A. Fill in the blanks. I hope you are ready with this heading as well. As you can see, 5 questions are here. For fill in the blanks, options are also there in the brackets on the other side of the blanks. So I hope you people are ready and you people will not cheat yourself. So let's get started with today's test round of chapter 13. I hope people you are ready now for appearing for this class test. Your mind, ears, your eyes, everything should be on the screen now. Number 1. The earth goes around the sun in its dash. The earth goes around the sun in its dash. Orbit or track. 2 options are there. Okay, your time starts now. Which is the correct answer? Choose it and write it down. Needless to say that answer number should be properly given. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I hope you have selected the correct answer for you. Once question A is over, I will write the answers in each blank. You can then check your answers. Number 2. The moon is the earth's dash. The moon is the earth's dash. Telescope or satellite. Choose the correct answer. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Have you written the answer? I hope you have chosen your answer. Let's move to the next question, number 3. The holes on the moon are called dash. That means the holes on the surface of the moon are called dash. Options are craters or faces. Write the correct answer. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So I hope you have written the answer. And I hope that this much time is sufficient for you, as you have to only choose the correct answer and write the answer only. Okay, moving on to the next question, number 4. The instrument that helps us to see far off objects is called a dash. Microscope or telescope. Think which is the correct answer and write it down. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. And the last question. I hope that you are writing the answers by leaving one line. At the same time, I also hope that you are writing the correct answers, because this is what we have done lastly. We have seen the videos in the doubt solving session. We have seen the videos in the activity session. We have even seen the pictures here. So I just hope that you have written the correct answers for every question. The last question for this main question A. Number 5. Dash is a constellation. Options are the Hunter or Aryabhatta. So dash is a constellation. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, I hope you have got your answer and you have written all the 5 answers for these blanks. Now it's the time for you to check your answers. So let's discuss what the answers are, for which question is the correct answer written in the brackets. Number 1, Earth goes around the sun in its dash. Answer is orbit. Answer is orbit. If you have written the same answer, put a tick mark or put cross mark if you have written track. Number 2, the moon is the Earth's dash. Telescope or satellite? Obviously, satellite is the correct answer. If you have written satellite, put tick mark, but if you have written telescope, then you have to put cross mark, because then the answer will be wrong. See, the correct options I am underlining. So satellite here is the correct answer. Number 3, the holes on the moon are called dash. Craters or faces? Obviously craters. Craters is the correct answer. If you have written this, put tick mark. Next is number 4, the instrument that helps us to see far off objects is called a dash. Here the answer is telescope. Telescope is the answer. Have you written telescope? I hope you have written telescope. Number 5, dash is the constellation. What is constellation? Group of stars forming the pattern or making a design in the sky is called constellation. Obviously Hunter, Orion is the answer here. Aryabhatta is the name of an astronomer. So I hope that you have written all the answers correct. If you have written the correct answer, then you have to put tick mark or you have to put cross mark. So I hope that you have checked your answers and you were loyal to your studies, you were loyal to yourselves. Now coming on to the next question again, which has 5 questions in it. Please give the heading question B, true or false. You should just write true or false. Don't go for writing such a big line. So I hope that you are giving the heading properly. Okay, here to say whether the statement is true or false, correct or incorrect, respectively, you need to read the statements properly. You need to understand the statement and then you can compare the data you have in your mind. You can recall to the data you have in your mind. Please make sure you read it properly. Once I read it, you understand it properly. So, I hope you have given the heading. Let's get started. Question B, true or false? Number 1. There are many craters on the moon. There are many craters on the moon. Your time starts now. Write the correct answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I hope you have written the correct answer, whether it is true or false. Anyways, you will get all the answers like we did in the previous question once the main question is over. Number 2. Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on the moon. Is this true or false? Write it down. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, I hope you have written the answer. Number 3. New moon looks big and bright. Is it true or false? Write it down. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Have you written the answer? Okay, moving on to the next question. All stars are huge balls of fire. All stars are huge balls of fire. Is this true or false? Write it down. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So this is over. Now the last question for true or false. Please make sure that you check your answer once I start writing the answers. Anyways, please write the answer for number 5. Question is, we can see the moon and the stars in the sky using a microscope. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So now here the answers are true, true, false, true and false. Now first statement is true because there are many craters. Yes, there are the craters on the moon. There are the huge holes on the moon which are known as craters. Neil Armstrong was the first person. Yes, you know, in the fact file it was given that Neil Armstrong was the first person. Even I showed you the picture of Neil Armstrong while I was explaining you the chapter. New moon looks big and bright. False. You have seen the picture of new moon in the book, in the phases of the moon itself. Number 4, all the stars are the huge ball of fire. True. We can see the moon and the stars in the sky using a microscope. False. Using telescope should be the correct sentence. So I hope that you have checked your answers. If you have written true, where I have written true, then you should put tick mark, or else you have to put cross mark if you have written incorrect answer. Please make sure when you are checking your answers, you look onto the screen and check your answers properly. You can give 100 marks to yourself, but you know how much it deserves. No one knows better than you. So please make sure you be honest, you be loyal to yourselves. Okay, so I hope you have checked your answer for true or false. So the last question for today is question C. Please give the heading MCQ. Please give the heading MCQ. I hope you are giving the heading. Okay, so I hope you are now ready to appear for the last question of this class test, in which again you neither have to write the questions nor do you have to write the options. You just have to write the correct answer number and the correct answer, obviously. Now say for an example, if answer for number 1 is A, Then you have to write answer 1, A, earth. Don't just write earth, write option letter properly. Whether it is A, B, C or D, which option is it? I hope I made it very clear. Let's get started. Number 1. Which of these is not a planet? Earth, Orion, Uranus, Neptune. Write the correct answer. Your time starts now. 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you have written the answer, because in MCQ I cannot give you much time. So let's move towards the next. Number 2. Which of these is a constellation? The Hunter, Kepler, Galileo, all of these. Again your time starts. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, I hope you have written the answer for number 2 as well, and you are writing the options properly. That means option letter, like I said in the beginning. Number 3. Who among the following is not an Indian astronomer? See students, again like true or false, here also you have to read the statement properly, and then you have to read the options. When I am reading it, you have to try to recall what you have understood, what you have learnt, what do you remember from the chapter. So please make sure you try your level best that none of your answer goes wrong. It doesn't matter even if you get 1, 2 or 3 marks, but it's just that you have to appear for it and try your level best. Okay, so number 3. Who among the following is not an Indian astronomer? Options are Aryabhatta, Kepler, Bhaskara, Varahamihira. Choose the correct answer. Your time starts now. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Number 4. Which of these is not true about the moon? So which of these is not true about the moon? Try to select the correct option. Options are: there are many holes on the moon, it does not have light of its own, there is no air on the moon, or there is water on it. So which statement out of these 4 is not correct? Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Next question, number 5. Which of these is not a phase of the moon? Options are new moon, no moon, crescent, full moon. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Moving on to the next question, number 6. Which is the largest planet? Options are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Mercury. So which is the largest planet among this? Your time starts now. 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. And the last 2 questions. Number 7 question is: which of these is the true about the moon? Options are: it moves around the earth, it changes its shape, it has craters, all of these. So choose any one answer which you feel is the correct, and is true about the moon. Your time starts now. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, I hope you have written. Next, number 8, last one. What is the group of the stars that makes the pattern called? Telescope, constellation, astronomer, satellite. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now just check your answers. I am going to highlight the correct answers. Okay, so here Orion is not a planet. Hunter is the constellation, the design made by the stars in the sky. Then Kepler is not an Indian astronomer. Then there is water on it is incorrect, is not true about the moon, which is what you had to select. Then again no moon is the answer here. Largest planet, obviously Jupiter is the answer. Here the answer should be all of this. And the last one, constellation. So again check your answers. Orion, the Hunter, Kepler, there is water on it, no moon, Jupiter, all of these, and constellation. So these are the answers. I hope that you have checked your answers properly as I displayed it twice. And I hope later you are going to send the PDF file to us. We will be waiting for that. Let us see how many marks did you get. Each question carries 1 mark. So please total your marks and then send the PDF overall to your follow-up teachers or to me. This is the end of our today's session. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care.